Shh. Hear any hiccups?
I don't hear anything.
Hey, my hiccups are gone! We did it! Oh, boy!
Hooray!
Now, where could those Mickey Mouse Clubhouse singers be?
Oh, we better get to the studio, and fast! Come on!
Well, I guess that's it for today's show. I don't know what in heavens happened to Mickey and friends.
Here we are, Clarabelle!
We're coming!
Oh, how wonderful! I knew you'd come through. Boys and girls, it is my pleasure to introduce the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse Singers.
Who's the leader of the club that's made for you and me? M-I-C-K-E-Y-M-O-U-S-E
Mickey Mouse!
Donald Duck!
Mickey Mouse!
Donald Duck! Forever let us hold our banner high!
Hey!
Come along and sing the song and join the jamboree!
Oh, gosh! Thanks, everybody! Gee, thanks for helping us get rid of our hiccups. Now, up on your feet, everybody. It's time to do the Mouse Dance.
Hot dog! Hot dog! Hot dog, hot dog, hot diggity dog. Now we got ears, it's time for cheers. Hot dog, no problem solved. Hot dog, hot diggity dog.
We had such a great time finding ways to get rid of our hiccups. What mouse-tool did Daisy use to do her hiccup polka?
Tap dancing shoes.
What do we use to measure the temperature of the water?
A toy thermometer.
And we stuck the tail feathers on the tune plane with...
Oh, I know, a glue stick.
And with your help, we got to sing on the Clarabelle Show. What a hot dog day!
Hot dog, hot diggity dog. It's a brand new day. What you waiting for? Get up, stretch out, stop on the floor. Hot dog, hot diggity dog. Hot dog, hot diggity dog. We're splitting the scene. We're full of beans. So long for now from Mickey Mouse.
That's
And the Mickey Mouse Club.
See you real soon!